Wow, that's good music. I'm sure most of you who haven't seen this video of this song wouldn't believe it's 2 years old. And I was telling my guest in the studio, I'm gonna get to it soon, but that's incredible. I'm jealous of the guy, you know. Yeah, he's having all the fun in there. But anyways, we'll get to all that, guys. This is MX Live here on MX24J. We talk about everything that has to do with music, the artists, the guests, and all of that. I promise you for the next hour is going to be a really incredible time, you know, with more music, more discussions like this. But I also have to let you know, we are about having fun, of course. And when it comes to Silverbird, you know, they are part of us, and we're very proud of, you know, this collaboration. So attention to all you Ghanaian moviegoers and movie lovers. It's that time of the year again to be wowed by true entertainment in Ghana's #1 cinema franchise, Silverbird Cinemas. This Ember season, catch the best of action, adventure, romantic comedy, thriller, animation, and the whole like at the West Hills and Accra Mall branches. You can see new movies like Expendables 4. There's Wonka, Aquaman, and The Lost Kingdom. Can't wait to see that Amadisi guy. The Marvels, Paw Patrol, and many other global blockbusters, right? From Hollywood to Nollywood to authentic Ghanaian content. We promise you nothing but the best. Now, for showing times and for more information, all you have to do is call. And also, if you want to sponsor, very, very simple, 0544-310-140 or 059-399-7086, or visit their website, silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills and silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra. There's a movie for everyone at Silverbird Cinemas. And Silverbird Cinemas is all about entertainment. Like I said, you know, we're all about entertainment and fun, and Silverbird is no exception when it comes to that. So quick commercial break. I have my guests in the studio. Sit back, relax, enjoy for the next hour. If there's anything you want to ask, any suggestion you also have, very, very simple. At MX24JH, every single platform. The hashtag is MXLIVE. Makes it easier to find your stuff, of course. Stay tuned in. We'll be right back. Man, and I just want to give a shout out to, you know, to the team that make MX24 what it is. New month. I'm wishing everybody who's watching this new money, new health, new positive energy. Isaac in the background, I see you. New ladies, of course, in your way. Moms and you too. Yeah, they're smiling, big smiles on their faces. But I hope any and everyone watching this is having a good time, you know, with whatever they're up to in terms of work, you know, entertainment and the like. December is coming, and usually when December is coming, I love to ask, what are your plans? Are you going to be staying in? Are you going to be going out more? Let us know all on MX24JH. The hashtag, of course, is MXLive. Makes it easier to find your stuff and stay interactive. Now, to my interview, and you guys, if you're just tuning in, you missed her first music video. Not her first, but the first music video we played today. As the show goes on, we're going to play another music video from her featuring one of the biggest artists in the country, but it's just fair we get to know the artists we have on here, you know, the background, their lifestyle. And I think right now, in a world where social media is predominant, right, we get to see the lives, again, of these artists, so these conversations become even more interesting, right, when you're getting to know the ladies and the gentlemen we have in the studio. And today, she goes by the name Fati. Hello, high five, high five, high five. Now, we're both in green. I don't know if that's the universe talking. Yeah, I like money, so maybe that's why. But I'm very happy to have you here. Yeah, and I must say, that was a beautiful song. And you told me that was 2 years ago.
That was 2 years ago, yeah.
Were you surprised? I was surprised that it was a 2-year-old song and music video.
Not really, because it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can tell.
Yeah, it does. Like, anyways, so we have Fati in the studio. Again, if there's anything you want to ask her, any suggestion you have, please, MX24JH. The hashtag is MXLive. Makes it easier to find us on all platforms, from TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and the like. So, Fati, let's get to know you a bit.
Yeah.
Again, congratulations on what you've been doing up to now. Because as I said, you know, we're going to play a song with one of the biggest artists in the country. We're going to get to know how that all came about. But give a little bit of context, background into who Fati is.
So Fati is one of the finest songstress in Ghana. I'm from Chebiada Dientem. Yeah, I love music. I love to perform. That is like my home. When it comes to the stage, I love it. And one thing I don't take for granted is family. Like, my family and I, we are like this.
Okay.
Yes. I like good vibes. My desire one day is to, make the world a better place, help to make the world a better place, yes. So basically...
Family, it's very good to hear that family means a lot to you. How supportive are they in your music, and how, did you have that conversation with them? Because it's not the easiest thing here, we all know this. How did you have that conversation with family?
So first of all, I would like to say they support me like 1 billion%.
Oh, that's nice.
Like that. Yes, they support me 100. And that's not been a conversation like, I started doing this. My mom laughed. My mom told me, oh, this is what I wanted to do. I wasn't able to do it. So I would like you to
so this was your mom's dream?
Yes.
Oh.
She wants to be out there, like maybe in a movie, maybe singing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, something about theater and all that, but she couldn't do it, so...
I'm assuming she's gonna try to live vicariously through you and listen to, like, perform to your songs in the house and stuff, and, like she's the Fati, But that's wonderful to see.
And my dad loves music so much.
Okay.
Yes. To date, we have some of the old CDs home. So that wasn't really much we spoke about. They love what I do. My brother is in support of me. Funyanya. So,
Oh, that's really wonderful to see that you have that backbone, that support system. But when was it that you knew that this is what I want to do in my life?
To tell you the truth, I didn't have a time where I said, oh, this is what I wanted to do. I always sing home, my bathroom. They used to call me bedroom superstar.
Okay.
So I just sing home. So there's one time, Hitmaker, my brother was like, oh, I should just try.
Okay.
Like, no, I've not sung to anyone for the person to tell me, give me good remarks. So all I know, like, oh, you can sing, that's all.
Yeah.
So then I went to Hitmaker. I got in, and it started from there. Then I think 2 weeks to the finals, I got evicted. But then I went, Mr. Roy, the late Willie Roy, may he so rest in peace. He gave me a good remark before I got evicted, so I went to see him. Then they were grooming Xylophone Art Club. Yes, we had some Xylophone Art Club, like young artists, they were grooming them. So I went to him and I said, oh, I want to do this. I want to be part of your art club. And he said, oh, okay. So then he was having this, what's the name, karaoke. So I used to follow him a lot. Okay. We go play karaoke, he give me my cat. I was like, this thing is good, oh. I'll come and play, I'll get money. Okay, this is good. So I started following him, then he passed on. Then I ventured into live. And there was this time I met this woman who was like, oh, you're good. Give me your contacts one time. So one time she called me and we started doing live band. Then I joined another, so I've been doing live band for, I think, getting to 3 years now. Wow. Then there was one time I went to Abeku's show, OKFM. Kwame was then my senior. Back in school. Okay. Yes. Okay. So he met me and was like, you still do music? You're taking this thing serious. So, okay. Okay, if you want to do this, then I'll help you. Okay. So he helped me and now I'm here. Okay. Yeah.
The interesting thing is, like when I talk to a lot of artists, it's like, oh, I was doing this and I decided that, boom, I want to take this professionally now. But it seems like this was your whole life. Has that made it more difficult for the fact that now you're living the life you used to live in the public? It wasn't necessarily a transition for you. It's like, for example, dealing with that rejection of being on a big platform, right, of performing to people where, people vote and they have to take you off. And again, now everything you do is more so public. It's not just family or in your bathroom or in your bedroom again. How do you deal with these little rejections and difficulties of being part of the industry?
So I would say, apart from Hitmaker that I got evicted, I didn't realize that, no, I wasn't ready.
Oh, yes, you realized that?
Yeah, I realized I wasn't ready. So, through the karaoke, the live band, it helped me a lot. It helped me a lot. Then, whenever I perform and I get this reaction from people, one time this girl had broken hearts. That very day, she went.
Man. If we knew her name, would have given her a shout out like, oh, we're here. I ain't giving you a broken heart.
Her boyfriend was someone in the bedroom. So that day I had a performance in the evening and she came. That was the first time I met. She was so happy. I think I was singing this Kojoenchi vibes. Okay. She was jamming to it. So she was just jamming to it. So later on, she came and she was like, wow. She thanked me that she's feeling okay just because of the vibe and everything. Yeah. Like, oh, the response from people, they send you a message. I'm like, oh, wow, I'm putting impact on people. Then let me do this. I want to do this. I want to take this to the next level. Yeah. Yeah. So I started to do my own song. Yeah. When Kwame came on board. Okay. I said, okay.
Okay. So a situation like that, right? Dealing with people's emotions, doesn't that also make it like a bit difficult looking at now you have more, so everybody has a voice, but your voice is now amplified because of what you're doing, right? And you said at the beginning of this, you want to change the world, you want to touch people, inspire people. Now people, I'm sure, cry to your music, like you said, a girl with a broken heart. And now you're dealing with all these things at the same time trying to elevate yourself. Does that make what you're doing more difficult? Like, are you a bit hesitant emotionally? Is it sort of draining, or do you get excited?
I get excited, rather. Yeah, same. I get excited. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay, so now all this has happened. Now your music is beginning to take off. When was that moment that your music was really beginning to take off? Was it when you released that song we just played? Yes,
I would say that. No. From Friday Mood. Yeah, I released Friday Mood the following year.
Okay.
Yes, and the EP. But with this EP, I'm getting some mad support. I'm like, wow. Okay. So not knowing whatever you are doing, people are just looking at you. People are just following you step by step. Then you know. So when I released this, I know. Oh, so when I dropped, what's the name? Ghana Jollof. They were looking. Friday Mood, they were looking. Now they know the girl is ready. Yeah. So
okay. So from the Ghana Jollof, right, to the EP, that 2-year.
From the Ghana Jollof to Friday Mood.
Okay. Was Friday Mood a single? Was it a project?
It was a single.
It was a single. Yeah. How was the response to Friday Mood?
Dope, yeah.
Okay, and why did you want to drop a full-body project? That's what I wanted to ask you right after these 2 singles, because, you know, a lot of artists wait a while before they drop a project. They want to test the market more, but it seems like you're going all head in. Why was that? Was it a business decision? Was it a personal decision?
It was a team, like, yes, I would say. And, you know, it takes one day for someone to appear, but it takes time for you to prepare. You need to, I feel like this is a go-ahead for me. I love to perform, and when I get on stage, I want to get more songs to, perform. Yeah. So I have just 2 songs. So with this 6, making 8, I feel like I've got,
Okay, so now you take your time, you're working on the project, project's ready. Let's talk about this now. Like you said, 6 singles.
Yes.
I mean, you have a feature, 2 features on there.
Yes.
I don't know why I said, you have 2 features on there, 2 very big artists, Sina Soul and Kwame Eugene. How did those come about? Because it's not easy to get them, I'm assuming.
Yeah, so you know, after the Abekus, Kwame met me. He has been helping me, even with writing the songs, producing it, mixing it, video and everything.
Wow. So you and him have that relationship, like that friendly,
we have that relationship.
Talent-wise relationship. That must be a really good thing for you.
I'm telling you.
Okay. And
shout out to Kwame Eugene.
Shout out to him. Shout out to him. Sina Soul, tell us about that. How'd that come about? Because, you know, whenever I have an interview with a lady, a lot of feedback I get, right, from viewers and listeners is, why don't women work there? We want to see them on more songs. So it's like I have to ask these questions. And I want to know, again, it's very interesting to see you and another female working on a song. How'd that come about? Why is that so important for you? So
Kwame contacted her, and she didn't hesitate. She just came right on board. We did it just there. She's a lovely person. She's very, very nice. I was surprised, like she knew me already. Yeah. So I've still not experienced anyone saying, "Oh, I won't do it," or I've not gotten there yet.
Okay, hopefully not. Hopefully not. I know, right? Okay, so the first thing is actually the one with Kwame Eugene. Tell us about the song in particular. Is it a love song? Is it a dance
song? Kwame wrote it. It's a danceable song. Yeah, Kwame wrote it.
Okay. Yeah. I really like the fact that you're acknowledging Kwame, because, you know, recently he's been saying that people are not giving him his props. And, you know, there's a lot of feedback when it comes to that, right? And one thing I've always said is, there are some people who write songs, people who sing songs, and there's nothing wrong.
I don't get it.
Rihanna has so many songs that people wrote for her. Beyonce has
sometimes her songs are written by 6 people.
Exactly.
So I don't.
And the interesting thing is you can say one word, but you have to still acknowledge the person who added that one word. Why do you think this is not common knowledge here? Why do you think this is not something we've accepted or understood? It's like, if someone writes for you, it's taboo. It's like, oh, you don't have talent. But it's a normal thing. Some people write, some people sing. From your experiences, right, as a singer and a writer, why do you think that's the case here? I
think this thing started from school, way back in school, you know, when we were kids. When someone does something for you, even in class, the person helps you. They don't give you, as a child, cry, the person will say, oh, he helped me. You say, oh, I did it. Why are you saying? So we have this notion that if someone helps you, that means you don't know how to do it. That means no, you get. So we feel like just say it is me. Everything should be you. Nobody should help you. If someone helps you, that means you're not good enough.
Oh.
I think that's the reason.
Oh, well,
that is the perception we have in mind.
That's really not a good way to look at it, right?
Someone writes for me, that means I'm not good enough.
Oh, okay.
I'm falling short.
Yeah.
Yes, I think that is what they have in there.
Well, she's good enough. This is her new single. Please introduce the song and let's get straight to it.
Okay, so Green Lights, this is the first song, Fallen, featuring Kwame Eugene. Enjoy it. Shot by S. Bills.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, enjoy this song. Tell us what you think. We'll be right back.
I'm emotionally stressed. I'm emotionally downcast. I am so confused of all about life.
Fati, ladies and gentlemen, yeah. Call my phone any day, and I go day or door. If I have to choose, I go choose or go. Make them come. I go fight for love. Soldier go, soldier come. Me a day for war. My sweetie, your love. Baby, give me some more. I'm ready for war. My sweetie, your love. Baby, give me some more. I'm ready for war. Falling for you. Falling. I'm falling for you. Falling for you. I'm falling for you. Oh, my lover, my sweetie sugar. Oh, my lover, I'm falling for you. My lover, my sweetie sugar. Oh, my lover, I'm falling for you. My girl, I say unto you, only you. Girl, I love how you do, yeah. Make them come back to fight them like Kung Fu. I need to go. Girl, I love how you do, yeah. Dollar, give you mine, dollar, so give me your love, lover, give me your love, lover. Ladies and gentlemen, falling for you. Falling, I'm falling for you. Falling, I'm falling for you. Oh, my lover, my sweetie sugar. Oh, my lover, I'm falling for you. My lover, my sweetie sugar. Oh, my lover, I'm falling for you.
Oh, that's a good song. Wow. My director's enjoying it, let me say. And you know, for my boys in the background, to Mark, Isaac, and Momsen, they have their wedding song. So, this is how we're pulling up to their weddings. How's the response been to this?
Oh, massive.
Were you surprised?
I'll say yes. I'll say yes, though. Because I've been, after I released Friday Move, it has been a year since I released this. So I just thought, coming back after that, maybe, but the response is just massive. Yeah. Thank you to everyone.
Yeah, for the way you love music so much, when you're in that period, when you're not releasing music, is it difficult for you? Or are you just like, okay, I'm in the process of releasing music? How do you deal with that?
Sometimes you just feel the urge to do something. But then again, I want to learn. I really want to learn. So it's not really about that.
Okay, it's not about that. Yeah. Okay. So what's the title of the EP?
Green Light.
Green Light.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm seeing
green everywhere.
Right? What does that represent? You know, someone sees Green Light. They've never heard the music. What do you want that to tell them? That title.
To me, it's a readiness. It's how I feel ready. The go ahead for me to, unleash everything that I've got. Okay. I feel like I'm ready for Ghanaians. Yes. So.
Okay, and for those who don't know you yet, what do you want your brand, as they're getting to know you, to tell them? For those who see Fati's picture, or they see Green Light on Apple or Audio Mac, Boomplay, what do you want your brand to tell people?
A big girl with a lot of energy. Yeah.
Yeah, you do have a lot of energy. I must say, like, she's always dancing and busting the moves. So Greenlight is out there. These songs are out there. Is there anything else you want to tell fans? Why should people support you and look for you?
Yes. So Greenlight has 6 songs, and every month we are going to release the song, like promote it with the video. It has a video already, so that's what we are going to do. I want Ghanaians to support me. I have a lot, so please support me, Fati Music. Let's do this.
Yeah. Are you on a record label?
Yeah, AM, Alpha Mind Records. Yeah.
Okay, how long have you been on this label?
2 years, I would say.
Wow, that's incredible. Because I'm asking this because the music videos are incredible. The features are good. The music is good. I hope you guys have a fruitful partnership. I hope we see more. December's coming. Are we going to see you performing?
Yeah, definitely.
Hopefully, we get to find you, see you on stages and the like.
Yes,
And again, the project is on all platforms?
All platforms, yeah.
Okay. Fati, thank
on
you
YouTube,
so much.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fati Music.
Okay, so let's get the views up. Let's buy the music. As always, that's the #1 way to support an artist like Fati. And yeah, I love having interviews like this, getting to know artists and support her. Her project, Greenlight, is out there. She has Kwame Eugene on there. She has Sina Soul, 6 songs, a full body of work, after releasing a couple of singles like Ghana Jollof. You can also go out there and check that out. And again, let's support the artists. Let's promote the artists as much as possible. It's one thing to say support them. It's another thing to go there and buy the music and get the views up as much as possible. So once again, to Fati and the whole team, the record label, big salute to you guys. We're going to be signing off this part of the show, the interview, with her music. I'm coming back. We're at Medical's, album launch, and it was pretty interesting. I'll be right back.
My sweetie, your love, baby, give me some more. I'm ready for war. Falling for you.